Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Keith Everett and I'm doing a book review today, not for someone else's book, but for my very own published book, Money, Mind, Crush. And as you can probably tell by the title, it's about using your mind to make money. Now, most people only use a very small portion of their mind, and what happens is when they want to become an entrepreneur, they're not really kind of operating on the right frequency. So what I decided to do was to put this book together, which took me about a year to write, and it's available on Amazon right now. If you click the link below in the description, you'll find the link to the book. It's on amazon.co.uk and amazon.com. So what is it about? Well, let me just quote something to you that I've written on the conclusion. This is just the conclusion of the book. There's about 140 pages in this book. And this is what I've written in the conclusion. There will always be a reason to not do something. There will always be someone telling you you can't do something. Just like you need to ignore the chatter in your head, you also need to ignore negative influences, or better still, separate yourself from them. We all only have so many hours in the day. We can choose to waste them or use them wisely. What you do now, today, will affect your future. Whatever it is stopping you from doing something, whether it's fear or lack of finances, too many things going on in your life right now, like drama, etc., etc. Remember, those people you admire, those people doing what you want to do, they all started somewhere. They had big bills to pay, families, debts, lack of funds, etc., but they just got on with it. Once you lead with your heart, your head will follow. The first step leads to the second step, and before you know it, all those fears and doubts will slowly disappear. Now, near enough every single page in this book is designed to help you to make an income online or make an income offline. What it does is it motivates you all the way through the book, and there are some stories that I have put here, some fairly humorous, of how I started. And how I struggled when I was a kid trying to make money, and some of the things I did to make money when I was a kid, which often upset my parents. I've always thought like an entrepreneur, and I've kind of been in and out of businesses for the last 40 years. I've had many businesses, some not so successful and some very, very successful businesses, some making more than six figures, multiple six figures per year. So I decided to put this book together with all of my thoughts and all of the ways that I've managed to get round things in my life. You're going to find this is quite a unique book. This is not your normal kind of motivational book. This is actually really me telling it as it is, as I've done it and gone along over those past 40 years. So I hope you enjoy this book. I think it's going to be a really good read for you. It's also available in Kindle online. And let me just run through the chapters here. The first one is The Power of You. The second one is My Crazy Life. The third one is The Golden Triangle. Number 4 is Freedom, the Ultimate High. Number 5 is The Magic House. Number 6 is The Art of Rich Thinking. Number 7 is Just Do It. Number 8 is The Weirdness of Lies. Number 9, The Millionaire Business Model. This is really going to help you to decide what you're going to do to make money online. Number 10 is Family, Friends and Foes. I think you can probably guess what that's about. Number 11 is The Art of Making Money. Number 12 is Self-Doubt and Winning Through It. Number 13 is The Enemy Within. 14 is Niches and Riches. 15 is Unclutter Your Life. 16 is The Fantasy of Luck. There you go, 140 pages. It's available in paperback and also in Kindle, and you can get it by clicking the link below this video, and I will speak to you soon. You take care and enjoy this book.